Comrades, I'd like to conclude to address a matter that has concerned many people within the democratic movement and in society, a matter which is topical right now. Just over a month ago, there were criminal charges that were a complaint that was laid against me at the South African Police Service. The complaint related to a theft that was committed at my farm in February. The allegations contained in the complaint are serious, and it is only correct that they be thoroughly investigated and that the due legal process be allowed to take its course without interference. As we emerge from the era of state capture, we must be firm on the principle that no person, not a single person, is above the law, and that everyone, regardless of the position that they occupy, must be held accountable for their actions. I have pledged my full cooperation to the investigation process that is underway. I am prepared to be held accountable. I opted of my own volition to appear before the Integrity Commission. We were meant to meet a week ago, but the date did not suit everyone. We will finalize another date in days that come, and I will go before the Integrity Commission. But I would like to say I will not allow these allegations to deter me from what needs to be done to rebuild our economy. I will not allow this to deter me, to discourage me from the work that I have to do. And I will not be intimidated, nor distracted, nor bullied into submission.